Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my friends on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Umfana Womdebele.
Stibo mina ngimrebele rehe. Wanu uzana bathi umrebele rehe mina ngimrebele rehe.
Khuluma njalo.
Stibo mina vana ngizwe bathi basho iSundowns uthina ku league ayisibethi njani inini kwatsha kwaqima ithi ngibakhumbuze ke ngibe ngimapensela just 2 seconds bathi tebumu kwena amakhadi speed point ngathi namhlanje ngoba ivoid nangu umakhehleni makhawula uthi void uthi nje void umakhehleni makhawula on side mahupa labufakazi phakathi eboxini asibhekana lithuba nalithuba the rest was history. Ngiyekele indaba nokuthi bathi Sundowns thina ku league asibethi yilokho asayenzani ku escodini sikaMamenzela nga 5 minutes 2 minutes notice ma 2 minutes notice laba sithibo sabenzela istory but ya ma 2 minutes notice asiyeke sithibo yazi ukuthi kwenzakalani sithibo uyabona la majida lawo eNamibia ekunguthi Dion Hoto no Peter Shalulile
yes
amajida lawo amajida la yazi uzowakha amagama la South Africa aze uzobreak ama records like la South Africa sina ama player afana nala la bazazi bafunani la ifini bayazi bazele nokudlala South Africa bazele ukubreak ama record ucheck uPeter Shalulile top goal scorer uPSL ever Dion Hoto top assister PSL ever hayi la madoda ayazazelile la ku PSL bayazi thina yandwe disappoint awu yini PSL asina like la South Africa asinayo umuntu onjalo like yazi nongijabulisa yini at least we Orlando Pirates naye bafo yazi ngiyifenle Pirates Orlando Pirates naye Dion Hoto top assister in PSL ever Sundowns banaye Peter Shalulile in top goal scorer uPSL ever abosituma ngabanye ke abanaye bano George Matlow one assist since afika ku Kaizer Chiefs no uhlala kusitshela ngabo Mkoko kwatsha kwaqima una how many goals since afika ku Kaizer Chiefs wena yini igoal lakhe laziko ngiliphi
uJoja kakazakore
awukhona laziliphi igoal icelebration yakhe njani wakhona celebrate yakhoneni wena
angazi ngambona
bafo mina angilazi igoal la yazi assist yakhe yazi assist e1 yakhona yazi yani offside assist to Indoda nasi la. This guy. You know who's this guy? Let me hide the name so that you can see. This drawing is fantastic. I think you can see.
Who's drawing?
No, it's my brother. It's Pamela Masombuga.
Okay,
Yeah, I assisted this guy and this guy was offside.
That's the only assist George had.
I think as a sentence too. I think I count as assist. Tuna 0 goal, 0 assist. I think count it thing. Go verse ne VR bana 0 assist. Akana assist man. But ukhulumela futhi. Abantu mele bakhulumela futhi Kaizer Chiefs bomtushabalala. Iplayer le. Alikho player njengale la Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs the only player ezimisele ukudlala la South Africa. Ngifuna ukubuza namafeni Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi basamfuna uThabo Cele kubafana na. Ngifuna ukubabuza ukuthi mafeno Kaizer Chiefs ngifuna ukunibuza nisamfuna uThabo Cele kubafana na nisamblema uHugo Bruce ngokwakubiza uThabo Cele hayi yazi mafeno Kaizer Chiefs kanjani afana nemanagement the Kaizer Chiefs
banjani
management the Kaizer Chiefs yazi basayina ama player kanjani
banjani
aba famous yazi wena uthathe bani ngesibona ubani player isibhuku elingazi ibhola next elinga na Stibo mangagcokisa iskipper yabona no se Orlando enhle ngingathi se Orlando Pirates senye nenye team la ku PSL sikuposte ngobuningi yasithi uStibo Ntswemi Kaizer Chiefs uzokusayina ngiyakutshela serious Kaizer Chiefs ayisayini player because of liboni potential lizo abantu bakhuluma this player lizokusayina serious ngiyakutshela as next week ugcoka ikitches le sikhukhune uyele yo exercise uzobona Kaizer Chiefs izokusenzela ama ngiyakutshela bafo bafo into enye ufuna ukukhuluma ngayo bafo yazini since ngathoma ukubukela iPSL like azange ngibone i-team ena 0 bookings Orlando Pirates today bafo azange ngithola i-bookings next kwabona yellow card eliya ku player Orlando Pirates today ngibanikeza like angazi ngithi ngibanikeza ini bafo like ngifuna ukuni congratulate ngento niyenzileko and into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo this thing man bafo man sihlala siphikisana ngayo like sifeze sikhuluma ngathi ayitenye ukuthi ama-player ane-speed ku-PSL ubani nobani angazi wena wazibani maybe wazi ukuthi Thapelo Mrena or kanjani kuno-Ashley Dupreez noThapelo Maseko ngitshela impintshi yami naso Siphamandla Masombuka stroyile lana ya understand maye besibawa ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ne-Sundowns angazi bazovuma na after 90 minutes makushaya igame like 2 minutes nje i-race yalo nalo like ozowina uthatha le picture ngiyanicela bafethu ngiyanirapela ngibani ngiphe just 2 minutes i-race 100 meters angazizonikela bani 100 meters ngiyanirapela madoda i-race yamajita naka ozokuwina uthatha le picture ngazi ngizoyigaya bani ngiyanirapela bafethu angazi bazokuvuma kumafeni i-management e-Kaizer Chiefs ne-Sundowns ndiwe ibona ngakhona bazovuma
hayi masibo
asitry maybe bazovuma
abazovuma
ufaka ukuthi ufana Mrebele
abavuma yeah sure mtanginja